This is the bolt carrier after roughly 500 rounds of 223, or excuse me, 5.56 ammo. I've not touched it in over a week. There's no SEAL1 on this rag, and I'm just wiping the carbon. It's not hardened, even after a week of sitting around doing nothing. I'm just wiping the carbon off without putting any SEAL1 on there, because the bolt carrier, whole firearm, has been treated with SEAL1. See how the carbon just wipes off? This product is truly amazing. Okay, I'm not putting any product on it. I'm going to wipe off the carbon and see how much comes off. Okay, the bolt is that clean. Just wiping the bolt off. Here's the firing pin, just so you know that this firearm was shot about 500 times and sat in my office for about a week, or over a week. Untouched, dirty. It's been treated with SEAL1. I have not put any more SEAL1 on this, and all I'm doing is wiping it off with a rag. And you can see the firing pin wiped off clean.